Sleep is an essential part of your productivity puzzle. But simply getting enough quality sleep is not guaranteed to keep your energy and productivity levels up. There is another component to sleep optimization: setting the right sleep schedule. The right sleep schedule usually means two things: waking up at the same time every day and waking up at a time that works well for you. According to Dr. Needan Verma, a Stanford University trained specialist in sleep medicine, people who sleep in on days off often experience the same side effects as jet-lagged travelers. Why? Fluctuating sleep schedules messes up your body's internal clock, which is responsible for regulating the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps us fall and stay asleep. Research on productivity supports his claim. A study from Brigham and Women's Hospital found that students with irregular sleep schedules fared worse than those who stuck to the same sleep routine. This applied even to study participants who got the same amounts of sleep. Those who went to bed and woke up at different times throughout the week had worse academic performance than students who woke up at the same time every day. If you feel like you're sleep deprived and want to catch up on the weekend, Dr. Verma recommends taking a nap during the day instead of sleeping in. The time you choose to wake up is also important. There is a ton of anecdotal evidence in favor of waking up early. The list of successful people who wake up early includes big names like Apple CEO Tim Cook and the CEO of Chrysler, Sergio Marchionne. But there's actually no difference in socioeconomic standing between early and late risers. Most likely, waking up before everybody else simply gives busy people time to think away from distractions before they get flooded with emails, meetings, and phone calls. So don't force yourself to get up at 5 in the morning if you're just not an early riser. But do set aside a few hours to get things done after you wake up. The most important thing is consistency.